If you prefer a clean, clear look for your iPhone 14 Pro, the Gostec Covert 5 case may be your minimalist, lightweight design of choice. There are numerous items accessible to the iPhone 14 Pro case. Each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best iPhone 14 Pro case from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Tori 5-in-1 for iPhone 14 Pro case. 14 Pro case is Defender designed for iPhone 14 Pro 6.1-inch only. Precise cutouts ensure you easy access to all buttons, speakers and charger slot, without adding bulk. Tips comes with an orange alignment installation border to help with positioning when installing the screen protector. Our iPhone 14 Pro case with 2PCS high-quality 9H tempered glass can protect your iPhone 14 Pro screen from scratch and broken, but ultra-thin, comfortable and sensitive touch make you feel as nothing on screen. Provide 2PCS camera lens protector that can protect the camera 100% and will not affect the quality of the photo. Tori iPhone 14 Pro case Clear is certified drop test, features 4 built-in corner airbags to absorb impact, can prevent your iPhone 14 Pro from accidental drops, bumps and scratches. If you have any questions before or after your purchase, please feel free to contact us. Our professional customer service will reply to you within 24 hours. Using high-grade Germany Bayer's ultra-clear TPU material, enjoying the original beauty of iPhone 14 Pro. The nano antioxidant layer effectively resists stains and sweat, not easy to get greasy and yellow over time, perfectly shows the original color of your phone. Number 2. Mirror case glass series designed for iPhone 14 Pro case. Built-in premium 9H ultra-thin HD tempered glass screen protector and camera protector work for iPhone 14 Pro 2022. Featuring maximum protection from scratches, scrapes, bumps, and any other accidents while maintaining original response sensitivity. Full-body protective case for iPhone 14 Pro. Tri-layer structure absorbs and deflects impact that blocks dirt and dust. Elevated lips around the camera and the screen are added against untoward scratches. Innovative front and back case design developed by Mirrorcase, isolate the dust in the environment. Smart automatic alignment frees your hands from finding the precise location to get the protector applied flawlessly, and no worry about air bubbles. Note: 1. Please remove all protective films on the case before installation. 2. All assembly and disassembly need to be started from the lower right corner. Mirrorcase designed stylish bumper case for iPhone 14 Pro comes with a cool-looking design and a transparent back. Show off the device's original beauty without sacrificing protection. Number 3. Diclar design for iPhone 14 Pro case. Dual layer provides 360 degrees full body rugged protection. Soft TPU shock absorption and raised 4 corners surround your phone and protect it from accidental drops and falls. With 2-pack hardness tempered glass camera lens protector, designed for iPhone 14 Pro to protect your camera, and brings you the original of beauty to every photo and video. Integrated design for friendly use. Diclar clear designed case with built-in touch-sensitive and anti-scratch screen protector, protect the fragile glass from scratches and cracks. 1.5mm raised screen edge and 4.6mm raised camera edge, provides extra protection for your phone screen and camera. Bonus gift with 2-pack of lens protective film for better camera protection. Easily to work with any wireless charging pad 100%, don't need to remove the case. You can still play your phone with it on a wireless charger. Compatible with iPhone 14 Pro 6.1. Easy to install or remove. Diclar provides lifetime free return and replacement. Please feel free to contact us for any questions. Number 4. Tor's crystal clear designed for iPhone 14 Pro case. Adopted German top Bayer material, this clear iPhone 14 Pro case shows the original shining beauty of iPhone 14 Pro. This clear case features advanced anti-yellowing tech, antioxidant coating and blue molecule tech that effectively resists 99.9% of yellowing caused by UV and sweat, making it as new as day one. Just 0.03-inch thinness, using one-piece highly elastic Bayer material and micro-dot design. This thin iPhone 14 Pro case fits snugly and perfectly to your iPhone. You will feel it as slim as no case on, and no burden when putting it in your pocket. It's definitely the go-to for minimalists. The iPhone 14 Pro clear case is an excellent absorber to protect your phone in every drop or collision, since it is equipped with flexible elastic TPU material and X-Shock anti-collision airbags tech. Upgraded 360 degrees surrounding airbags care the precious camera, and the raised edges protect your phone fully from any scratch. Not adding much thickness to the phone, this clear slim iPhone 14 Pro case provides a soft and silky touch and a non-slip and secure grip in your hand. Number 5. Rookie case compatible with iPhone 14 Pro. Specially designed for Apple iPhone 14 Pro 6.1 inches 2022, released with precise cutouts for all buttons and ports. Supports wireless charging without taking off your iPhone 14 Pro phone case. iPhone 14 Pro case for girls. Polycarbonate front cover includes a touch-sensitive built-in screen protector that prevents your screen from scratches and cracks. Note: before using the phone case, please remove the tempered film or soft film on the phone. 4 reinforced cushioned corners. Raised lip protects your screen from drops and surface scratches. Multi-layered robust TPU bumpers absorbs damage during drops and falls. This iPhone 14 Pro full body case will take the impact, preventing your iPhone 14 Pro from cracking and breaking. The iPhone 14 Pro case glitter liquid design not only make your iPhone 14 Pro beautiful, but also more interesting to play. The bling love heart sequins could flow freely inside and change its color with floating up and down. Give your loved one a big smile on her face. We provide lifetime friendly customer service. Please feel free to contact with us if any problem or suggestions.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.